Okay, here we go again. I wanted to get the selfie stick out a little. It's just a lot easier to hold on. But for those of you who see this, it is Thanksgiving Day, and we are off to a crisp, sunny, beautiful day. I think the chickens will take advantage of coming out and poking around the grass, even though it's a little frozen. So we'll let them out until we're heading out for Thanksgiving dinner. So I have that little tiny fence over here. It's crazy small, like 2.5 feet maybe, and it keeps them from hopping over. I'm so, they can clearly fly past it, but they don't hop over it. Anyway, my chores. I sling the door open when I'm only doing it one hand. There's a string that goes through that I use to hold it in place. So I'm just explaining that because it's not really a one-handed operation. Hello, girls. There. Yeah, I think their water's probably frozen. Yeah, so they have the other water here in the form of the heated. That plastic one, my thinking is that it should be okay with being frozen, and hopefully it won't break, that it'll thaw. Morning, Sydney. Girls are saying, okay, the carrots aren't so bad after all, huh? I threw them some scraps yesterday. Good morning, Luna. You look like crap. Zippy, what's with no eggs? Got no excuses. Haley's right over here. Good morning, Haley. Did you lay an egg yet? Chica, you look good, Chick. You're getting better. And Luna, her belly, her tummy is looking good again. What's up, Sid? So, they'll be out here, I think, on the grass shortly. Let's see. Yep. And it's got a wrinkle on it, so I know it's Haley. Her eggs always have a wrinkle. Chica's eggs will have some spots to them. It'd be nice to see one here from Zippy, but no. I recently redid the roosts by a little bit, and it has thrown them off. Tell you what, let's do this. Well, I was going to give him some. Hey, man. Chickens. That one in particular is very precocious. I'm going to give them some scratch over by where they tend to congregate. They like a section of the grass, and I guess it's because the sun hits it early. Come on, Sid. Come on, Sydney. Just trying to get this. Get their attention for a little bit later, some more shots. So, have fun out here, girls. I know you're going to be digging very quickly. All right. My arm is tired. Again, it is Thanksgiving morning, and it is gorgeous out. I'm going to just turn and face this way. The sun is just coming up. See, there's a frost on the windshield, but
But otherwise, it's going to be a beautiful day. Hopefully they'll stop with the scratch and head right onto the grass. Alrighty. Happy Thanksgiving.